Let's start. If we were playing bingo, this is the way the bingo runs. 1 through 15 with B. What is the value of 15? 1 and 6. What is the value between 16 and 30? The value between 16 and 30, why did I get 16? 15 plus 1 is 16. Minus, it's 14. 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 The relationship in the first one is 1 and 6. The next is 7 and 3. The next is 4 and 9. The next is 1 and 6. And the next is 7 and 3. So you can see that O and I are a repeat. You can see that G and B are a repeat. And it's also Win a Big Red Sun. This one, I9 and 23. 9 and 23, difference of 14 and 9. 7 times 2, 7 plus 2 equals to 9 equals to 14. And it will be Win a Big Red Sun. This one will be on the cube. In tennis, the maximum we go is 30 creation, through the sun, in time, and the moon, back through Mars, in creation, and the church, which means the split skies, artificial intelligence, creation of the gateway of Zion, Israel, because that's what 46 is, the eye of the storm. It creates the O. 0 equals 46. And the reason I say 0 equals 6, because it is the 15th letter and the 12th letter in the alphabet. Reverse is 6 and 3. Creation of man's earth. When we're doing a single box, okay, there is no center. So to cross the box, we would have to do this. And this is where we pick up our swastika, running in this area. If we were running in a 4-area box, to cross the box, I can just do this because we have area in between. This one is box 1 center. This one is box 4 center. Why? Because we have a 4 in the center. This is where our 3, 1, 1, 3 suits in. Have you ever seen this? This is angle, right? This is angle. One of the reasons for angle is when you're creating distance or whatever, you create angle, and it's 2 to 1. The rook, I believe in chess, is what's going to do this. Now, when you're going to Rodans' Coil, right? They say 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. 1 over to 2, 2 over to 4, 4 over to 8, 8 over to 7, 7 over to 5. Can you do it here? I can't actually go over here, okay, unless I need to find a center. I need to find a center. If I'm going 1 over to 2, 2 over to 4, 4 over to 8, over to center, over to 5, I would have to create it this way. Create it any other way, I create it this way. The larger scale. So it can be created both here and here. I like to call this the Chinese man, right? But in here, this is the way it's created. If I go backwards, I go 3 to 2, okay, 2 over to 6, 6 down to 8, over to 9, and into 5. 5, 9, 8, 6, gateway to the BC world. Here's your creation. 1 and 2, 3. 4 and 8, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 7 and 5 is 3. 7 and 8 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. 8 and 4 is 3. 4 and 2 is 6. So when we add them up, we end up with 3, 6, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 8 and 7 is 15. 1 and 5 is 6. 7 and 5 is 12. 3, 6, 3, 6, 3. Or 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. That is your gateway. Gateway. Everything matches to 7. If we're going to match these to 7, you need 6, 5, 3. Now it's 1 or 9 in this relationship. Not 1 or 8, because 8 and 8 is 16. 1 and 6 is 7. Here it is 0 and 9. So 8 and 7, back to the 7th gate. Do you follow what I'm saying? 8 and 7, back to the 7th gate, is 8 and 8 is 16. 1 and 6 equals to 7. 7 plus 9 equals to 16. 1 and 6 is 7. So 8 and 8 will create it, and 7 and 9. So 8 and 9, right? 8 and 9 is H and I. They are the same letter. Therefore, 0 and 1 happens to be in the same area, dividing the two sides. We go 3 to 2, over to 6 into 8, and boom, this is what we have. Two triangles over here, inverted, or we can start to create the Star of David right over here, connect it into the next level. Now, if we connect this into the next level, right, we're going to start from 7 into 8, 7 into 8, 8 down into 1, right, 1 down into 5, 5 over to 4, and then 4 back up, right, 4 back up. Here is the 1, here is the 5, here is the 4, back up into 2. Now, if we start that again, that we're back into 2, we're going to go backwards now, okay? We're going to go from over here. We're going to go from this number over here. We're going to go from 9 into 8, 8 into 3, 8 into 3, 3 all the way down into 5, 5 all the way over into 6, and 6 back up into 2. And this is the reality of joining what is the beginning of the expression of Rodans' coil 1, 2, 4. 4 and 4 is 8, 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, and then 5 again. How far down will we go? Well, until we get to number 15, we have 16, 17, 18, which then mirrors 19, 20, 21, and then it starts over again at 22. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus 714, 714, 714, connecting the spirit matrix. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus coming to you from the House's Paint. Thank you for watching this video.